hostile rifleman. I count 3.
Para o caminhão, para o caminhão. E põe marcha ré aí. Malandra. Che, não estamos falando com você. Velho, vamos dar um passeio. Vamos vocês, vou descansar um pouco. É, não demore, sai da estrada. Não te preocupas, irmãzinha. Eu vou te cuidar de você. Tá, Meg, para de chorar. Não chores. Ei, Che, tenha calma. Tenha calma. Malandra.
Say the word, Captain. Quietly. Justice ain't blind. It's right behind you.
Hunter, this is Overlord. What's your status?
Overlord, Hunter's in position. Ready to move on your go.
Copy that. Primary objective is to locate and secure Makaba's latest weapon shipment.
And Makaba?
Secondary, his suppliers are our main interest.
Copy. Hunter out. Hostile. He's got an assault rifle. Near that well. I got 2 more here. Dead ahead. There's 1 more. Next to that wreck.
I lost my line. 4th target.
There's another one. Ready when you are.
On your word. Fire.
Careful. We need to get eyes on that camp. See what we're dealing with. On me.
Activating camo.
Down. Do not engage. They tear us up out here. Keep your heads down. Prone and crawl. Hostiles. 2 of them. 12 o'clock. All right. We should be good. We've got a light vehicle here. Over on our right. There's another one. Looks like a patrol. Got another one here. 3 o'clock. Next to that car. Add 1 hostile. 12 o'clock.
Kill confirmed. There's another one. 3 o'clock. Over by the tree.
On the move. I spotted 2 more. Right in front of us.
Sensor out.
Careful, they're gonna spot you.
Dropped him. Hostiles found a man down.
They're moving! Straight ahead! Sensor out!
Estamos sob ataque!
They're pinned down! Hostiles 9 o'clock! gotta reload! Target down! All right, Ghost, we're secure.
Frag on the way.
That's one big camp.
No way we find the cops with all that without help.
We wait for a view from upstairs, we might lose them.
30, we go into that mess blind, we lose them for sure. Overlord Hunter, we need a SAT scan of that refugee camp.
Overlord copies. Stand by, we'll push it to you.